Hey curlies, my name is Ragini and welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to share how curly or wavy hair looks with styling and without styling. As you can see, right side of my hair is looking so frizzy, dull, dry and unmanageable. And on the other hand, it's looking soft, bouncy and so defined. If you also have frizzy hair like this, it means you have beautiful curly or wavy hair. This is my freshly washed hair using CZ friendly shampoo. Now I am going to use leave-in conditioner and spread it all through my hair using raking motion. I am using gel as well to give a good hold to my curls. Now it's time to style my hair. For that I am using Denman Brush. Now I will take some strands of my hair and will brush it, doing it gently to avoid the frizz. Now I am scrunching my hair to form tight curl pattern. It is most required step of styling girls, so don't skip it. Give a good scrunch to your hair to get good defined curls. I have mentioned products link in description and comment box as well, so you can purchase from there. I will leave it to dry on the other side of my hair as it is. And one more thing, these all process will work only on those girls who have curly, wavy, coily or frizzy hair. Now I am using a cotton t-shirt to scrunch my curls again to remove extra product from my hair. And it's time to plop hair for 10 to 15 minutes. After that you can air dry or diffuse your hair. I'm diffusing my hair but usually I prefer to air dry it. You have to start diffusing from the roots to get volume over here. After that all the hair. And this is the final result. My hair is 100% dry. You can clearly see the difference between styling and without styling curly hair. One side of my hair is looking frizz-free, bouncy and defined. And the other side which I have treated like straight hair is looking so frizzy, damaged and unmanageable. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Subscribe my channel for more curly hair updates and comment down if you have any queries regarding curly hair. I would love to solve your problems. Thank you.